Welcome back. In this video, we're making potato salad. For the dressing, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon relish, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, season with salt and pepper, give that a quick whisk. Into a pot, 6 red potatoes, cover the potatoes in water, season your potatoes with salt, bring up to a boil, reduce to low, simmer for 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once the potatoes are cool, pour over the dressing, then add 1/4 of a red onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Gently toss to combine, pour into a serving dish, sprinkle parsley over the top, and there we have it, potato salad. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.